Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where these green lines here are coming from. But after today's price movement, going into the weekend, some updates here need to be made. First key update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right there at 692 is going to be the newest area of resistance. Had been an area of support had been an area of resistance before, meaning you look back here and you can see that the price had struggled to get up above it. But when the price did get up above it, you know, the price went on a very nice move there. But now that everything is back below it, once again, that reverts back to being, you know, that key area of resistance. So 692 right around that area, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, is going to be that first key level to keep an eye on. If the price can get up through 692, then the next overall level is going to be that purple line right there, being the 50-period moving average. However, as of right now, no need to get too far ahead of yourselves. One hurdle at a time. So before you start talking about doing battle with the 50-period, yeah, the price needs to get back up above and stay above 692. As far as areas of support, the next key one to now watch going forward is going to be at 675. 675, very, very important because, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to go down there and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, you know, that would be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with these lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So that is definitely why 675 I would consider a very, very important level of support. In fact, I would consider it a must-hold level of support because, like I said, the last thing anybody from the bullish or the long side would want to see occur is for the price to go, you know, back to where it was. But there's still that opportunity to chip away and build the higher base, but we'll see if 675 can hold up or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.